Hello guys, welcome to Lightupfacts channel. Today we are sharing about most trending and easy investment app for beginners, that is Smallcase. Watch full video till the end. We are going to suggest you best Smallcase to invest. So if you are ready, get started. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Smallcase is a basket of stocks that reflects an idea. Small cases are the best way to invest in equities, because it is diversify and lower your risks. Next question in your mind is it safe to invest or not? 100% safe, because it is created by India's leading experts and backed by solid research. There are two types of investing. One is buying direct stocks. Second is buying portfolio stocks. But I recommend not think about buying direct stocks as a beginner, because it requires a lot of research and study. So our aim should be at buying portfolio stocks. Portfolio stocks means buying more than 2 or 3 stocks at one time. Advantage of this is that, if stock goes down, another stock will rebalance. Best small cases to invest with low risk and high returns are here. 1. All-weather investing. All-weather investing is a popular strategy that ensures your investments do well in good as well as bad times. This is a long-term investment strategy that you can use to build wealth over the years to come. This small case invests in 3 asset classes, that are equity, debt and gold. The portfolio is rebalanced periodically to generate relatively higher returns by assuming the least possible risks. It has a 12.4 returns, which is amazing. Hence, you can start investment with minimum of 4,000 rupees, and don't worry if you don't have that much money. Here is our another option. Second small case, that is equity and gold. Amazing thing about this is you can start your investment with just 250 rupees. Which is unbelievable, right? This small case invests in equity and gold, fixing their weights to 70% and 30%. And it has high returns also. Thank you for staying till the end. Here is our bonus tip for you. We are suggesting you the best investment books that can make you a great investor. Number 1 is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Second one is Warren Buffett's Essays. Third is The Simple Path to Wealth by J. L. Collins. Thank you for watching video. Please share with your friends and family.